Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to edit pictures in the gallery app on Xiaomi Redmi 9A. So firstly, go into the gallery. I'll take a picture firstly. And after you have a picture, go into the gallery. Now tap on the picture that you would like to edit. Now tap on this icon at the bottom. And now you're going to see different sections of editing, and after you've done your editing, all you have to do is just tap on save in the top right corner, and that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.